Good morning, guys. So I'm taking you guys along with me today. Today's my day off and I have errands to run. Right now I'm getting ready to go to the mall to go fix my phone. Actually, I'm getting a new phone. So I'm going there with my laptop and everything, so they can transfer the data for me on the laptop because I'm not buying no more Apple storage space. I already paid for Apple Care and whew, it's a lot, guys. So earrings, that's what we're doing today. And today is a new vlog. I don't know how long this one is gonna be, but you're coming along with me today in real time. And guys, I've been so consistent with the videos, with the vlogmas videos. I also have to wash my hair. So you guys know I like to bring my book so I can know exactly what I have planned for today. So yeah, it's been like maybe a week and a half since I didn't wash my hair. So I am going to do that today because it's my off day, so I have to go to fix my phone. We'll get the new phone. Starting back on my diet, guys. I bought a new shoes. Oh, when I come home I can show you guys all of that stuff that I bought for my birthday, for the new year. Guys, I'm dead serious this time. This year has to be it. I just turned 25, so hopefully my frontal lobe has matured fully. I did a whole video on that yesterday and it's so funny. I need to post it. So yeah, that's the little bun for today. I've been rocking this bun for days now, so it's like hello. Then I had this pimple in my face and it's so annoying, guys. I don't even think I'm gonna eat breakfast or anything because I have like 25 minutes to get up there and my appointment is at 11 and it's now 10:35. This is a lip scrub that I use from Fenty Beauty and it has like beads and stuff. Let me show you. It's exfoliating your lips while you rub it like this and then you just wash it off. Why am I out of breath? Because I'm rushing and I have clothes to wash also today, guys. Clothes to wash. I have a lot of stuff to get done and I have work tomorrow back, so I'm trying to knock out everything as early as possible. This gets messy sometimes because you want to get around your lips where those beady stuff are, and it really helps to exfoliate the lips. Yeah. I never asked you to be all the way over there, so oh gosh. So yeah, I'm trying to knock out everything as quick as possible. The drive is gonna take me about 25-30 minutes to get over there. The last time I went, I don't know if I took you guys with me, but the last time I went, they told me, oh yeah, the new phone's ready. And then they're like, oh, none of your info is backed up. You need to back all this up. So I wasted my whole time going over there. And I'm like, yo, that was 3 hours of my time that could have been done something more productive. So you just wash this off, put this back, and then use have my little Touchland hand sanitizer. Guys, I am obsessed with this Touchland body spray. This one is the lychee. I brought this one to Jamaica with me, which you haven't seen that video yet, by the way. It's coming probably on Christmas Day or so. I look crazy as hell, but I need to wash my mouth and brush my teeth and get out of here. Oh, forgot that I have to take my laptop so I need my laptop case. And I'm gonna bring the charger and everything, because I don't know how to back all this information up. They're gonna have to help me with that. So I'm kind of a tech person, but not so much like an Apple tech person, so they will have to help me to do that. I'm not staying home trying to struggle to figure that out anyway. All right guys, so we're on our way. Let's go. All right guys, so we're on our way. It's very bleaky outside today. Look at the skies, guys. Very, very bleaky. It looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna take my time, and when I get to the store I will let you guys know. I love the weather, it's cool, but I'll have to turn on all my lights and all that stuff. So see you guys when I get there, okay? Bye y'all. I didn't even eat anything, guys. I'm starving, but it's okay. I guess I'll be fasting for a couple of hours, which is not so bad for me because I need to do it. I love y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you when I get there.
Holy, holy, holy. Celebrating the birth of Jesus. Positive, encouraging K-Love.
K-Love in Christmas time? Amazing. Hey. Guys, I'm doing a lot of walking today. Okay, we are here and it looks like it's gonna rain. So you know what I'm gonna do? Your girl might as well take her umbrella because I have a ways to walk all the way on that side to get to the Apple building. So I think I might as well take the umbrella, to be honest, because as I said, let me show you guys. Bleaky. Look at that. Look at the skies. Very bleaky, guys. Look at all those clouds coming up. And it was drizzling when I was coming, so expect rain. I don't even want to bring the water bottle in there because it's too much stuff I have in my hand. So I'm gonna leave the water, bring the umbrella because I need my umbrella. I might need the umbrella more. So let's see how fast we could get in and get out. It is after 11. It's like 11:20. I was supposed to be here for 11, but didn't work. I'm sure my appointment is still there. This thing is bothering me so bad, but let's go. It's so bleaky, and there's something that I saw that's so cool. There's a slide. It's so cool over here, guys. So much high buildings and stuff like that. So we're walking and we're gonna try to get there as quick as possible. I still feel sleepy, but I gotta do what I gotta do. All these nice cars that they have over here. Guys, this has been a mess. I'm almost done backing up this computer, but I will tell y'all everything that happened when we get in the car. What a horrible experience. Guys, I'm all wet. I don't know. if you guys can see. I'm wet from head to toe. My face, my glasses, everything is wet. I'm gonna have to wait until I get home. Guys, I've been wanting to pee since 11:30. It is now 2:18 p.m. It's raining. You guys can see it's raining. And I think I might just have to hold this pee until I get home. I don't know where there's no bathrooms. It's raining. I'm gonna just go home. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. Guys, these people messed up my whole day. My entire day that I had planned messed completely up. I got a headache from holding my pee for 3 hours, guys. I just got home. It's now 3:15 and I've been there since 11:30 this morning. I literally have a headache from not peeing. I think a guy named Kendrick is the only person in the Apple store in Aventura Mall that helped me. The only person. And I was so upset. Because what? Guys, I have not eaten since I woke up this morning at 7 a.m. I am hungry. My head hurts. I feel like my brain is about to explode because I was so upset. I was just in there praying and saying, God, give me strength. Calm my mind, calm my nerves, because everybody was just running around like headless chickens, helping 5-6 people at a time. So then you forget the first 4 persons you were helping, then you're helping 2 at a time. That store is crazy. Their support is 0 out of 10. Any other send me any email to rate my experience today, I'm going to be truthful. And then, guys, I had one lady come to me because I was asking her for the cord to connect from the phone to the laptop. She gonna tell me, oh, I don't think that's safe. I think you should buy storage. Girl, you giving me money to buy storage? I'll buy storage. I would have bought it already. I don't understand why the phone looks like that, but yeah. If I had the money to buy the storage, the Apple storage, and I think that's a tactic that they use too. They want you to purposely buy storage so they can, I don't know, get their quotas up or whatever the case is. Guys, I'm into sales, so I know these tactics that they like to do. So you cannot trick me. Like Wiper said, you cannot trick me because I am a part of you. I know what you do. But guys, finally I got the phone backed up to the computer and I'm gonna have to go there again. After this, I'm buying an OtterBox case for this damn phone because it's too much. It's too much to do. It's my 4th time going up to an Apple store in 1 month. 4 times. It should not be that way. And they're all confused as to who I am, or because initially I came to drop off the phone to get the new phone. Then they're gonna tell me they don't have the phone that I have in stock. Then they ordered it. Then the storage information from the phone needs to go to the laptop. The laptop had no storage, so I had to delete all my iMovie videos that I had in draft to post. All of that was deleted. Then I had to delete thousands of pictures and videos from this phone that I had to. Good thing it's in my Google Photos. Hopefully all of those things are in there. If not, they're just lost because I need this new phone. It's driving me crazy with this volume button not working. And it's a part of my Apple Care. I pay $13 a month. So if anything's wrong with my phone and I say I need a new phone, That's what you're gonna give me. They were telling me, oh, we have to do a repair. No, you don't. I spoke to the other store already. They run the diagnostic. They tried to repair the phone and it was not repairable. So give me the new phone. Hello? These guys, this was my worst experience. Worst. Every time I go to an Apple store, I said I don't want to go back ever. It takes so long. So much people are. Why is so much people always in the store? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Why are so much people always in the Apple store? I don't get it. What are you guys buying with what money? Where y'all get money from? But guys, I'm home. I have homework to do. I don't know. This vlog might be cut short. I'm hungry as hell. My belly is digging me. So, I have to wash clothes still. It's raining, pouring cats and dogs outside. So, I need to get something to eat. And I hate when my day is wasted like this. I hope it's not just me because I've been there almost 4 hours. 12, 1, 2. Yeah, 4 hours. 4 flipping hours and still did not get the new phone. So I don't know. This week, Thursday, is the last of it. So hopefully I can get the new phone and I can start recording my stuff again and go back to normal because I have to push out these vlogmas for you guys. I promised myself that I'm not gonna miss a day since I started, so that I'm gonna have to go in Google Photos and retrieve my videos. All the videos that I was planning on recording. And good thing is that the videos on the laptop that I deleted are already on my camera. That's the Jamaica vlog that I have coming up. Good thing I reviewed the camera footage and everything, and all of them are there. And I'm just gonna have to restore the stuff again, but it's okay, guys. I'll catch y'all in a little bit when I don't even know if I should wash my hair today. This is what is pissing me off because every time I put my hair in a bun, it makes my head really tender, and I keep telling myself I don't want to keep putting pressure on the middle of my head because it gives me headaches, guys. So I might just not wash it today because I feel like the day is already over, and go 2 more days with it like this, and then on Thursday I get to wash it. So I think that's what I'm going. But the hair is dirty, like really, really dirty. Real dirty. I'll catch y'all in the next clip, or if this is the end. Thank you for watching and listening to my frustration today. I thought this was gonna be a smooth sailing. I got my new phone, guys. No. And it's the same phone that they're giving me. They don't have it. They have to order from the other store that I was at a couple weeks ago. Guys, whew, big up to Kendrick though. Kendrick, if you see this, hats off to you because I was so mad, guys. I held my pee in that place for 3 hours. 3. I came home and peed for 2 minutes. TMI, but wow. Anyway, guys, I need to get something to eat, and I'll catch y'all in a little bit.